in vectors excess number 2. Excess number 2. Here we discuss the magnitude of the vector and unit vector and sum of the vectors and difference of the vectors, scalar multiple of the vector. Multiplication of scalar. This we discuss in second exercise. It is also 1 mark and 2 marks question in annual examination. So simple. So first of all, magnitude. What is meant by magnitude? So magnitude. Magnitude is displacement. Means A equal to x I cap plus if A equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, then the magnitude is magnitude of A, means modulus of A. Magnitude is denoted by like this. Squares of the sum of the I component square, j component and k component. It means sum of the means x square plus y square plus z square. This is the magnitude of the vector. So here compute the magnitude of the following vectors. So simple. A bar equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap is given here. So magnitude formula you know already. Magnitude of A equal to square root of I component 1 square, j component 1 square, k component 1 square. So magnitude of A equal to square root of 3. Right. Next, magnitude. So here magnitude of B equal to square root of I component 2 square means 4 plus 7 square means 49 plus again 9 minus 3 square means plus 9. So magnitude of B equal to 53 62 square root of 62. Right. Next here magnitude same thing. Modulus of C equal to square root of 1 by root 3 whole square, again 1 by root 3 whole square, again 1 by root 3 whole square. It means magnitude of C equal to square root of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. It is equal to square root of 1 by 3 whole square root of 1 by 3 plus 1. LCM means 3. So 3 cancel. It is equal to 1. Root 1 is 1. So magnitude is 1. So C vector is unit vector. Okay. Vectors. Exercise number 10.2. Second question. Write two different vectors having same magnitude. Same magnitude vectors. Simple. A bar equal to 2 I cap plus j and B bar equal to I cap plus 2j. So simple. So here A magnitude square root of 2 square plus 1 means root 5 and B magnitude equal to 1 plus 4, so root 5. So two different vectors having same magnitude, these both. Next, here write two different vectors having same direction. Same direction means A bar equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap and B bar equal to 3 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 3 k cap. So collinear vectors have same direction. So B bar equal to 3 comma I cap plus j cap plus k cap. It means B bar equal to 3A bar. So it is same direction vectors. Same direction vectors are A vector and B vector. These both are different vectors but same direction. Next, equal. Find the values of x and y so that the vectors 2i cap plus 3j cap and xi cap plus yj cap are equal. Equal vectors means simple. I component is equal and j component is equal and k component is equal. It means 2i cap plus 3j cap equal to xi cap plus yj cap. So I component equal and j component equal. It means therefore x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Okay. And the scalar components and vector components of the vector with initial point is 2, 1 and terminal point is -5, 7. So simple. Now you take this vector. It is A. A means initial point 2, 1. Next B. B terminal point. Terminal point -5, 7. So initial point to terminal point. This vector scalar components and vector components we calculate. So AB bar equal to OB bar minus OA bar. So AB bar equal to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. This is the form. So AB bar equal to minus 5 and minus 2. Again, 7 minus 1. So AB bar equal to -7, 6. So scalar components. -7, 6 and vector components. -7 I cap, 6 j cap. So these are vector components. These are scalar components. Right. Next, sixth question. Find the sum of the vectors A bar and B bar and C bar. So three vectors. Sum means A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap plus 2i cap minus means plus 4j cap plus 5j cap plus 5 cap I cap minus 6j cap minus 7k. So I component simplification. Right here minus plus okay, plus minus okay, right. So plus I 2i minus 2 total cancel. The next j cap to minus 2j cap plus 4j cap plus minus 6k cap. It means minus 4j cap, and again k 6k means minus k. This is the answer. Question number 6. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector is this. So this question and sixth example also same way, simple way. So A bar equal to I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Unit vector means vector divided by magnitude. So magnitude calculation. magnitude of A, square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 4. It means root 6. So unit vector formula A cap equal to A bar divided by magnitude of E. This is the formula. So A cap equal to A bar means I cap plus J cap plus 2K cap divided by square root of 6. A cap equal to 1 by root 6 I cap 1 by root 6 J cap plus 2 by root 6 K cap. This is the unit vector. Okay, its magnitude is 1. If your calculator is here, it means this one square, this one square, this one square. This one square means 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6. It means 6 by 6. 6 by 6 magnitude is 1. So that's why it is unit vector. Next, same way, find the unit vector. Again, unit vector. This is also one more question. The direction of the vector PQ. So PQ means initial point is this one, terminal point is this one. So like this. This is P. P 1, 2, 3. And Q terminal point 4, 5, 6. So PQ vector equal to formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. This is the formula. So apply this formula, you get vector. So PQ vector equal to 4 minus 1 and 5 minus 2 and 6 minus 3. So PQ vector equal to 3, 3, 3 means PQ bar equal to 3 I cap plus 3 J cap plus 3 K cap. So this is PQ vector. So first PQ vector. After unit vector. Unit vector means PQ magnitude. PQ magnitude is square root of 3 square means 9 plus 9 plus 9. Again root 27. Root 27 is nothing but 3 root 3. 3 root 3. This is. So unit vector. The vector divided by magnitude. It means PQ cap equal to PQ vector means 3 I cap plus 3 J cap plus 3 K cap divided by 3 root 3. It means PQ bar equal to 3 get cancelled 1 by root 3 I cap plus 1 by root 3 J cap plus 1 by root 3 K cap. It is unit vector. 9th question. For given vectors A bar equal to 2 I cap minus J cap plus 2 K cap and B vector minus I cap plus J cap minus K cap. Find the unit vector. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector A plus B. Means sum of the vectors, resultant vector. It means first you calculate A plus B. Means A equal to 2 I cap minus J cap plus 2 K cap. It means B vector equal to minus I cap plus J cap minus K cap. Sum of the vectors is A plus B vector equal to I cap, J cancel. It means plus K cap. So this is resultant vector A plus B. So A plus B vector, let C vector A plus B, A vector plus B vector equal to let C vector. So C vector equal to I cap plus K cap. This is C vector. C magnitude under root of 1 square plus again 1 square is equal to root 2. This is C vector. So unit vector. Unit vector means A cap equal to A bar divided by magnitude of A. This is unit vector formula. So a cap equal to I cap plus k cap divided by root 2 is equals to 1 by root 2 I cap plus 1 by root 2 j. So this is unit vector of these two vectors, resultant vector. Next, 10th question. Find a vector in the direction of the vector which has magnitude is 8 units. Magnitude how much? 8 units. So simple, easy. 1 mark question. Or sorry, 2 marks. 8 units. Magnitude is 8 units. So simple. So first you calculate unit vector. Why we calculate unit vector? Unit vector magnitude is 1 unit. So that's why we calculate unit vector. Afterwards, you multiply with both sides 8. You get the magnitude 8 units vector. So first solution. A vector equal to, let A vector equal to 5 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap. So magnitude is square root of 25 plus 1 plus 4 is nothing but square root of 30. So unit vector formula a cap equal to a bar divided by magnitude of a. This is the formula. So a cap equal to 5 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap divided by root 30. It means a cap equal to 5 by root 30 I cap minus 1 by root 30 j cap plus 2 by root 30 k cap. So this is unit vector. So what we calculate? The vector magnitude is 8 units. Vector magnitude is 8 units. So that's why you multiply both sides 8 because of this magnitude is 1 because of it is unit vector. So you multiply both sides 8. 8 a cap equal to 8 into 5 by root 30 I cap minus 1 by root 30 j cap plus 2 by root 30 k. So 8 a cap equal to 40 by root 30 I cap minus 8 by root 30 j cap plus 16 by root 30 k. So this is the magnitude 8 units vector. 11th exercise 10.2. Show that the vectors 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap and minus 4 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 8 k cap are collinear. Collinear means you know already. B bar equal to lambda a bar. So let a bar equal to, now take that first vector 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap and b bar equal to minus 4 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 8 k cap. So collinear. Collinear means first you take here solution. B vector you take here. B bar equal to minus 4 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 8 k cap. What value is common here? 2 minus 2. B bar equal to minus 2 is the common value. So what you get? 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 4 k cap. It means what value is this? This vector is a vector. So B bar equal to minus 2 a vector. Means this is like a B bar. It is like a B bar equal to lambda a bar form. Lambda value is minus 2. So a bar and B bar are collinear vectors. Right. Next, direction cosines. Direction cosines and direction ratios. These two concepts here. So first of all, direction ratios means if you take this vector example, direction ratios is nothing but scalar components. Scalar components means 2, -3, 4, like that. Direction cosines means direction cosines are denoted by L, M, N. L equal to cos alpha, M equal to cos beta, N equal to cos gamma. The direction cosines. It means the here direction cosines. Note, if A bar equal to A1 I cap, A2 J cap, A I cap, B J cap, C K, then direction cosines. Direction cosines. It means cos alpha L equal to cos alpha means A divided by its magnitude, A square plus B square plus C square, just M N equal to formula direction. A divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square, B divided by under root of A square plus B square plus C square, C divided by under root of A square plus B square plus C square. This is direction cosines of the vector. Find the direction cosines of the vector. This. So, direction cosines. Direction cosines. L equal to A. This is A coefficient is 1. A equal to 1. B equal to 2. C equal to 3. So, 1 divided by square root of 1 plus 2 square plus 3 square. L equal to 1 by 9 plus 1 10, root 14. Next, M equal to 1 by square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. M equal to 1 means 2. 2 divided by square root of 14. N equal to 3 divided by square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. It means N equal to 3 divided by square root of 14. These are direction cosines of this question. Find the direction cosines of the vector joining the points A and B. Directed from A to B. Direction cosines. Here also direction cosines. So, 2 points is given here. So, first we calculate the joining vector. First we calculate joining vector. Solution. Joining vector. Joining vector means A to B vector. This is A. A initial point is 1, 2, minus 3. So, B minus 1, minus 2, 1. So, joining vector means AB vector equal to OB minus OA. OB minus OA means minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, 1 plus 3. Joining vector. So, AB bar equal to minus 2, minus 4 plus 4. It means AB bar equal to minus 2 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 4 k cap. This is AB vector. So, next AB vector. It means same 12th problem like this. So, direction cosines. Direction cosines means first we calculate its magnitude. Magnitude means square 16 plus 16. It means 20, 36. It means AB equal to 6. Magnitude is 6. So, direction cosines. L equal to A divided by L equal to 8 divided by magnitude of A, come B divided by magnitude of direction cosine. L equal to A divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. M equal to B divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. N equal to C divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. This is the formula. So apply this formula. L equal to, what is the value of A? Minus 2 divided by 6. M equal to, what is the value? Minus 4 divided by 6. N equal to 4 divided by 6. It is implies N equal to minus 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. This is direction cosines of these two points of the joining vector. Okay, right. Next question. Show that the vector I cap plus j cap plus k cap is equally inclined to the axis OX, OY, OZ. So simple. So first of all, let solution A bar equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Magnitude of A equal to square root of 1 plus 1 plus again 1. Magnitude of A equal to root 3. This is magnitude. So, formula equally inclined. Equally inclined means, so here cos alpha equal to formula L equal to cos alpha, M equal to cos beta, N equal to cos gamma. L means cos alpha equal to A divided by this, cos beta equal to B divided by this. N means cos gamma equal to, it means cos alpha equal to A divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. It means cos alpha equal to 1 divided by square root of 3. Alpha equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 3. And next, cos beta equal to B divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. It means cos beta equal to 1 divided by root 3. It means beta equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 3. Next, cos gamma equal to C divided by square root of A square plus B square plus C square. So these are formulas. Cos alpha equal to, cos beta equal to, cos gamma equal to. So cos gamma equal to 1 divided by root 3. It means gamma equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 3. So therefore alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 3. So equal angle. Alpha value, beta value, gamma value. Equally inclined means equal angle. Cos inverse of 1 by root 3.